Hi, I'm Peter Gilmore, the executive chef at Quay Restaurant. This is my son, Joe. He does love getting into the kitchen with me most of the time. We thought we'd have some fun today with Australian eggs. Now, we've got beautiful dark chocolate. You can use any type of chocolate. I tend to use the Valrhona Mangiare, which I think gives a really lovely flavour, but any good quality dark chocolate like Lindt will be fantastic as well. We're going to pop this chocolate onto the water bath. So what that is just a saucepan. We're going to turn the heat down to a medium heat. And you don't really need to do much with that chocolate. Just every now and then, we'll give it a little stir so it can melt. I like to put a vanilla bean in with my chocolate mousse. It's not essential, but I think the vanilla flavour goes really well with chocolate. And then you just fold it over here and we'll just give it a little scrape, and we're going to scrape out all of those nice seeds. The seeds are where all the flavour is. We've got some sugar here, which is going to go into the Savon. So I'm just going to pop my vanilla seeds straight into my sugar there. We're going to make our Savon. So in a bowl, that's going to sit on top of a saucepan like this of hot water. The Savon part of it is essentially egg yolks into a bowl. The sugar and the vanilla, whisk it while the sugar goes in. Because if you let the sugar sit on top of the egg yolks, it'll actually just cook the egg yolks. So that's it, sugar, vanilla, egg yolks. And you need to continuously whisk these egg yolks and sugar together over the hot water bath. And even when we take them off the heat, we'll continue to whisk. So that's how your egg yolk should be looking. It's sort of like a rich Savon. It's also how you start to make a hollandaise sauce. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and whisk the cream now. Joe's going to keep stirring this, and then we're going to do some whites. You can stop whisking that now, Joe, and you can get this whisk and start whisking those egg whites for me. And you whisk the egg whites, I'll whisk the cream. Okay, let's see who gets ready first, okay? Okay, we're going to take our chocolate off the heat. Your chocolate needs to be hot, your Savon's warm, and you need to have your cream standing by. Okay, go.
All at once?
All at once. That's it. All right, very good. And then right now, I'm going to get a spoonful of cream and pop the cream in. And we've got to whisk hard. I'm going to add another spoonful of cream at this stage into the chocolate. And you can see it gets really stiff at this stage. But what happens with the cream, it starts to loosen up the chocolate.
Hard.
It's hard work, isn't it? At this point, I want to show everyone, the mix is nice and loose. And what we're going to do at this stage is we're going to add all the rest of the cream and all the egg white at once. So let's put that in together. Okay, and then all of the egg white goes in. It's the mousse we make at Quay for the middle of our chocolate cake. So this part you need to whisk slowly and gently. You lift up the cream and the egg whites with the whisk until everything's incorporated, and get right around the edge of the bowl and right down to the bottom of the bowl as well. Because you don't want to go too hard, but you want it mixed really well. And we can just scoop the chocolate mousse into the glasses.
It's great now, but it's different level in about 3 to 4. 3
to 4 hours in the fridge, setting it. You go for it. All right, I'm going to have a little taste too. Yum, it's pretty good, hey?